This is lecture number 2. In this video, we will be going to share what is technical analysis and how we can predict the market condition using technical analysis. Before going into video, please subscribe our channel for more technical analysis videos and trading strategies. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is a method of analyzing financial markets and securities by studying historical price and volume data to identify patterns, trends, and potential trading opportunities. It is used by traders and investors to make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding assets based on the analysis of charts, graphs, and other technical indicators. The basic premise of technical analysis is that past price movements can provide insights into future price movements. Technical analysts use various charting techniques and technical indicators to identify trends and patterns in market data. For example, they may look for support and resistance levels, moving averages, and trend lines to identify potential entry and exit points for traders. Technical analysis is often contrasted with fundamental analysis, which involves analyzing the underlying financial and economic factors that affect the value of a security, while fundamental analysis focuses on the intrinsic value of an asset. Technical analysis focuses on the market price and the supply and demand dynamics that affect it. Technical analysis can be used in various financial markets such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities. It can be used by traders with different time horizons, from short term day traders to long term trend followers. While technical analysis has its critics who argue that it is based on past data and cannot predict future price movements with certainty, many traders and investors find it a valuable tool for making informed trading decisions. A thorough understanding of technical analysis can help traders and investors to interpret market data more accurately and to develop effective trading strategies based on price movements and trends. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos. In next video, we will start our charting techniques. In charting techniques, we will cover charting techniques such as line charts, bar charts, and candlestick charts and how to interpret them. So please subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon